Yo, I go think of there again. Tell me which style I prefer. I prefer this, or I prefer me just put this here and talk. Let me know. But I run that one here, so let me know still. But hearing some people I say Jamaican have a mentality more most of the time. I say, yo, we not pattern nobody style. Me I do my own thing. But really and truly, can you be a great leader without being at one point, at one point? Can you be a great leader without being a follower at one point? Because no great leader can never just say, yo, I get up and just lead. You see me? At one point, you'd have to follow before you lead. You see me? A good leader was a good follower at one point before him branch out and, take from this or take from this and create his own style. So, when you come in on your own and try reach a self-actualization there, don't be afraid to mirror people where you admire, Don't be afraid to mirror people where you look up to, upon the path where you're going, Say if you want to be a race car driver, You see me? Not afraid to look upon Lewis Hamilton style and say, yo, yeah. Not afraid to look upon Doug Gordon style and say, yo, yeah. You see me? Yeah, man, you mirror it until you reach a point where you don't have to mirror it no more and come into your own. You see me? Any career path, any skill, anything where you go upon, any pathway where you go upon, you have to can look upon some people in other part there and say, yo, I want to be like that brother. Yeah. You see me? I want to be like Lionel Messi. I want to be like Cristiano Ronaldo. I want to be like them man. Yeah. You see me? And study them. Study them without shame. Study them day and night. As Marcus Garvey said, day while your companion slept, you were upward toiling through the night. Just study them pattern and I work on it to get it, perfect it. You see me? And then when you perfect it now, you come to boom and add something to it to make it your own. You see me? We all have to mirror somebody along the way of life before we can reach to where we want to go. You see it? And that's why I tell parents, yo, you have to be a good role model, a good example to your kids, because talking alone don't make no sense. If them not see how to do certain things, then you talk and it not go nowhere. So, we have to know how we go about imparting knowledge, especially to the younger generation. We can't just talk without showing them actions. So don't be afraid to be a mirror where somebody can look upon and say, yo, I love the reflection there. This me want to do. I want to mirror you. And as a parent, that should be a job. Is it? That should be a job. So people, don't be afraid to mirror somebody in the field or career path or even something where you want to achieve and them or do it already. Mirror them. Mirror them, learn them ways, observe the ways what them do. Make it yours and then you add a little to it to make it even more associated to you than the way that they taught you. You see me? Nothing is wrong with mirroring. You see me? Nothing upon earth itself is unique, because we borrow most of the things that we are doing and say we invent it, we innovate, but we don't invent nothing. Most of the things, everything we borrow from nature. Most of the technology, if you look upon the designs and the actions of the machineries and equipments, they replicate or mirror the design, the movements and the biomechanics of animals, of nature, of plants, trees, all of that. The same principles them take and put it in a mechanized form for us to utilize. So don't be afraid to mirror somebody where you admire and want to be like them in terms of career path. Be yourself, Be yourself in terms of your personality. But where a career path or a skill set or something that, you can do physically, you can mirror them. But always remember to be yourself too. That is very important, because that's how you make that skill unique, by sprinkle a little dash of yourself on it to make it unique. You see me? Because look on Salt Bay. Remember, and nothing. Everybody used to throw salt pan steak, but him just comes and get a little touch of himself, and boom, it gone. Him not do nothing different other than be himself, because salt will always be needed on the steak. But the way him put on the salt was what sent him on a different pathway and elevate him life. you know, and set him apart from others who have been doing it. You see it? So, bless up on yourself. I got think out, as I say, press a like, press a share, press a follow. If you don't like me, block me. Me alright with that too, you know. But share to somebody who you think might need to hear this, you know. And yeah, just continue support. And we make it happen. Bless up. Out.